Hello folks, welcome to a new video of Building with Fuzen. In today's video, we are building a project management app using our AI-based app builder. So if you've been following us in the last couple of videos, we used our AI app builder to build a couple of different CRM apps. And today we plan to shake things up. We are building a project management app using the same AI app builder. So again, the basic plan is to build a skeleton of the app using AI and then use our NoCode tools to give it some finishing touches to do some customized functionality using the NoCode tools. So the app that I'm trying to build is going to be a simple project management app where we can create projects, and then for every project we can create tasks. But I'm also going to ask AI to add a calendar view and a Kanban view to keep track of the tasks. And let's see how AI is able to do it. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start by going to our AI app builder. So basically this is AI based SaaS app builder. And I'm going to ask it to build a simple project management app with task management functionality. And it asks me if I'm going to use it for a specific type of projects, which I'm not. And do we need any specific functionalities or features? Yeah, I'm going to specify that we need basic timeline for each project. We should be able to manage status and also add team members. We don't want any fancy functionalities for now. I'm just going to try to keep it simple. And yes, we want to add a Kanban board and possibly also calendar view. So I'm going to ask it for calendar and Kanban view. So I think it's understood what we are looking for, and it's building our app right now. So it's building a project management app, setting up the page for projects list. Yeah, the dashboard looks okay. It's setting up the project details page, setting up the task list page. So task list, it's added a form which looks okay, but it didn't show the list for tasks. We can fix that. When the app is built, we can ask AI to fix it. So whatever pages it's building right now, remember it's going to do maybe 80%, 90% accurate job. And for the rest 20%, we can ask AI to make the necessary changes, or we can also use our NoCode tools to make them ourselves. So it's built the app right now. We can go to the dashboard. And from there, if I click on a task, I go to the project details of a specific project. And on this page, we don't see anything. So I'm going to click on the option to edit with AI. And I'm going to ask AI to add a form on this page. And we can use that form to edit the details of this project. So that's what we want to do on the project details page. So let's go back to the dashboard. And let's click on any specific project. Yeah, so now you can see AI has added a form which we can use to edit the project details. So if we click on any project from the dashboard, it will take us to the project details page where we can use this edit form to edit the project details. Now we go to the calendar view, and on calendar view, we can see this page is empty. So again, I'm going to ask AI to add a calendar over here. So we can have a calendar view of all the tasks. Let's see if it's able to do that. Yeah, so it has done that. It's given us a calendar where we can see different tasks. Now we go to the task list page. So again, here it's done 50% of the work. It added a form, but it didn't added a list where we can see the tasks. So I'm going to ask AI to add a table which can display all the tasks. Okay, so it's able to do that. So we can see on the left hand side we have a form, and on the right hand side now it has added a list or a table to display all those tasks. Okay, so now is the time to test the whole functionality. I'm going to go to the project dashboard. I will try to create a project just for testing. And yes, let's put a timeline against it. We are able to create a project. If you click on that, we can see the project details and we are able to edit it. If we go to the task list, let's see if we are able to create a task. We can specify the start and end dates and priorities and status. Yes, let's save the task. It shows up in the task list. And now I want to check if it shows up in the calendar view. So if we go to the calendar view, yeah, we can see the new task. So when we are adding a task, it shows up in the task list, and it also appears in the calendar view and on the Kanban board. And on the Kanban board, we can move the task around. So basically, this is the easiest way to update a status of a task. And so there we have it. It's a simple project management app which lets you build projects and which lets you create tasks. It lets you manage those tasks on an easy to work with Kanban board, and it also gives you a calendar view. It gives you a task list view. So it's a very basic project management app, but it has all the required things like Kanban board, calendar view, task list, linkages between projects and tasks. All those things are there. So you were able to see how we can build this simple yet very effective project management app within a matter of minutes. We used AI to do 80-85% of the work for us. So it built a very effective skeleton for our app. It built a very effective backend data structure. It didn't succeed at all things. So it didn't create some of the views very correctly. So things like calendar view was missing, but it was very simple to fix. We again just went back to AI and we asked AI that certain task list is missing, a calendar view is missing. Can you please fix that? And it was able to fix that by simply listening to our prompt. So whenever we asked it to make a change, it was able to do that. So Fuzen's AI app builder is very, very effective. You can use it to build your app within a matter of minutes. And if you need any changes, you can again go back to AI and ask AI to make those changes. And if you'd like to do those changes by yourself, you can use our NoCode tools to do that. So simple things like UI restructuring, some color changes, UI changes can be easily done with the NoCode tools instead of asking AI to do it. So which we have also covered in our previous videos, so you can refer to that. If you'd like to access this AI app builder, right now it's out for private beta testing. So just write an email to hello@fuzen.io. Our team will help you to get early access. You can use it. You can share your feedback with us. It's very, very welcome. So if you need any help, just write to hello@fuzen.io. I hope you liked the video. Please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you go. That's it from me. Have a good day.